Assalamu alaikum and hello to our students. Today I am going to discuss something about the constitutional bodies, that is, which are created by the constitution, not by the law or any statutory body. It is constitutional bodies. These are: number one, the Election Commission of India, established to ensure the free and fair election to the President, to the Vice President, to the Rajya Sabha, to the Lok Sabha, and to the assemblies, state assemblies and councils. Article 324 provides the power of direction and control of elections. In 1989, the President appointed 2 more election commissioners to assist the Chief Election Commissioner of India. Before that, only one election commissioner was there, but in 1989, the President appointed 2 more election commissioners to assist him. The voting age was also reduced from 21 to 18 years. The term of the office is 6 years or until they attain 65 years of the election commissioners. Can be removed by in the same manner as the Supreme Court judge through impeachment. The Election Commission is responsible for determining the territorial areas of constituencies, preparing electoral rolls, notifying the date of elections, giving recognition to political parties, and determining the code of conduct to be observed by parties. The Election Commission is not concerned with Panchayat and municipal elections. These are under state election commissions. The present Election Commissioner of India is Sri Sunil Arora. Next, the Finance Commission. Article 280 of the Indian Constitution provides for a Finance Commission, consists of a chairman and 4 other members. Chairman should have experience in public affairs, required to recommendations to the President, distribution of net proceeds of taxes to be shared between the center and the states, and allocation between the states. The principles that should govern the grant in aid to the state by the center. Any other matter referred to it by the President in the interest of sound finance. Any matter which is referred by the President to the Finance Commission about finance, they will give their advice to the President of India. Recommendations are advisory, not binding. The recommendations are advisory. The government may not accept it. The first Finance Commission appointed in 1951 under K.C. Neogi. Presently, the 15th Finance Commission is formed under Nand Kishore Singh as its chairman, and its term is from 2020 to 2025. Next, Attorney General of India. He is the first law officer of India. Article 76 provides for the office of the Attorney General of India, highest law officer in the country, or the first law officer in the country, appointed by the President, must be qualified to be appointed as the judge of the Supreme Court. This is the qualification. Can be removed by the President. Main duty is to give advice to the government on legal matters. Appears on behalf of the government in Supreme Court. Right to speak and take part in the proceedings of both the houses of the Parliament. The Attorney General of India has right to speak in both and take part in the proceedings of both the houses of the Parliament. No right to vote. He is not a full-term consul, so he has no right to vote in either house of the Parliament. He can speak. Assisted by the Solicitor General. First Attorney General of India was M.C. Setalvad. Present Attorney General of India is K.K. Venugopal. Solicitor General of India is Tushar Mehta. K.K. Venugopal is again appointed for the second time as the Attorney General of India. CAG, Controller and Auditor General of India, Article 145 provides for the independent office of the CAG, guardian of the public purse. You have to know that it is its duty that not a single purse, penny or a single paisa is spent without the proper approval of the parliament. It is its duty. That's why it is called the guardian of the public purse, and controls the financial system of the country. Appointed by the president, holds office for a period of 6 years or up to the age of 65 years. Can be removed by the president on the same manner as the Supreme Court judge. Article 149 authorizes the power of the CAG. Audit the accounts related to expenditure from the Consolidated Fund of India. Audit the expenditure from the Contingency Fund of India or state. CA is responsible only to the parliament. The first CAG of India was V. Narahari Rao, and the present CAG of India is Rajiv Maharshi. Advocate General of State. Article 165 has provided for the office of the Advocate General, highest law officer of the state, appointed by the governor of the state, must be eligible to be judge of the High Court. The term of the office is not fixed by the Constitution, holds office during the pleasure of the governor. What is his work? Advocate General of the state advises the state government on legal matters which are referred by the governor, perform the duties of legal character, entitled to appear before any court of law within the state. He has the right to speak in both the houses of the state legislature or any committee, but has no right to vote. Ramesh Chandra Borpatra Gohain is the present Advocate General of Assam. And Kishore Gupta is the Advocate General of West Bengal. Kishore Gupta is the Advocate General of West Bengal. Remember it. Next, National Commission for SCs. Established by Article 338 of the Indian Constitution, 89th Constitutional Amendment Act bifurcated the combined National Commission for SC and STs into two separate bodies. What is its work? To investigate into matters relating to the constitutional safeguards of the scheduled castes. Consists of chairperson, vice chairperson and 3 other members. Chairperson, vice chairperson and 3 other members. Presents an annual report to the president, inquire into specific complaints with respect to the deprivation of rights and safeguards of the scheduled castes. Central and state governments are required to consult the commission on matter affecting the scheduled caste of the state or center. Ram Shankar Katheria is the present chairperson of the commission for scheduled castes. Now, National Commission for Scheduled Tribes, established under Article 338A of the Constitution, set up after bifurcation from the combined National Commission for Scheduled SCs and STs. It was established in 2004 after the 89th Amendment, Constitutional Amendment. Consists of chairperson, vice chairperson and 3 other members. Main function is to investigate and monitor all matters related to the safeguard of the STs. Also to inquire into specific complaints with respect to the deprivation of the rights of STs. Present an annual report to the President. The President places all such reports before the Parliament. The Commissioner has the power of a civil court. Nand Kumar Sai is the chairperson of the Commission. The present chairperson of the Commission is Nand Kumar Sai. The Public Commission, State Public Commission. The State Public Commission, Public Service Commission comprises of chairman and other members appointed by the governor of the state. One half of the appointed members of the commission should have held office for at least 10 years either under the government of India or under the government of the state. Under Article 317(3), the chairman or any other members of the Public Service Commission shall also only be removed from his office by order of the President on the ground of misbehavior after the Supreme Court on reference being made to it by the President, has on inquiry held in accordance with the procedure prescribed in that behalf under Article 145, reported that the chairman or such other members as the case may be out on an such ground to be removed. These are called all the State Public Service Commission and all that. And chairperson of UPSC is chairman of the UPSC is Arvind Saxena. And chairman of West Bengal PSC is Devashish Bose. Thank you. Try to make yourself. Everything is depends upon your study, how you are studying. Best of luck. Thank you.